Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to determine whether f is even, odd, or neither for f of x is equal to x over x plus 1. So if f is even, that means that f of x is equal to f of negative x. And if f is odd, that means that f of negative x is equal to negative f of x. So what we have to do to test this is to find f of negative x. So f of negative x equals, we just have to plug in negative x wherever we see x. So negative x over negative x plus 1. This is equal to negative x over negative x plus 1. This is equal to, pulling the negative out on top, negative x over negative x plus 1. This we can simplify into x over, multiplying the bottom by negative 1, x minus 1. Now, is this equal to f of x or negative f of x? Well, let's find out. Is it equal to f of x? No. X over x plus 1 is not equal to x over x minus 1. The numerators are the exact same, but the denominators are different, therefore it's a different fraction. Is equal to negative f of x. Negative f of x equals negative x over x plus 1. This is equal to x over, we can multiply the negative 1 by the denominator, or the numerator, but the denominator will be clear, negative x minus 1, right? You have to multiply it by both. These have the same numerator, but different denominators, right? Negative x minus 1 is not the same as x minus 1. Therefore, f of negative x does not equal f of x, and f of negative x does not equal negative f of x. Therefore, f is neither odd nor even for f of x is equal to x over x plus 1.